Today we're going to show you how to tile a kitchen backsplash with a step-by-step process that is easy to follow. All you're going to need is Everbuild 701 acrylic non-slip, Everbuild 730 Universal Flexible Hygienic Wall and Floor Tile Grout, Everbuild 501 PVA, as well as Everbuild EB25. You'll also need a notched adhesive trowel, some tile spacers, a sponge, grout float, a grout finishing tool, and the tiles that you're going to use. Before you begin, make sure that the wall is prepped for tiling. This means ensuring the area is sanded, cleaned, and sealed. On porous surfaces, including plaster, we recommend that the area must be primed with Everbuild's 501 PVA Bond, diluted 1:3 with water and allowed to dry before tiling. Everbuild 701 acrylic non-slip is ready mixed, so you can start applying the adhesive straight away. Apply at a depth of 3 to 6 mm, no less than 3 mm, no greater than 6 mm.
Combing out an area no greater than 1 meter square at a time.
Use a suitable notched trowel across the surface of the adhesive before placing the tiles into position and securing with a slight twist action to remove air voids. Continue placing the tiles across the wall, making sure they are aligned and have spaces in between. Ensure to check the tiles are level and flat as you go. If they are not, you may have to remove the tile and scrape some adhesive off or add extra, depending. Finally, wipe the tiles with a damp sponge to remove any adhesive that is on the surface or in the grout lines. Allow the adhesive to dry for 24 hours before grouting, 72 hours if tiling on non-porous surfaces, but avoid wetting the tiles for at least 48 hours. Now you're ready to mix your grout. Always add powder to water. Mix approximately 3 parts by volume powder to 1 part of volume water and mix to a slump-free mortar. Use the float to fill the grout in the gaps between the tiles with upward and diagonal strokes. Continue like this until you have done all the joints. Wipe the tiles with a damp sponge to remove any grout that is on the surface.
Wait for 15 to 20 minutes before wipe down.
To seal the kitchen, use Everbuild EB25. We hope that you found this tutorial useful, and we very much look forward to seeing you next time.